Hi, my name is Alex, and I am still here in Orlando, Florida. So I am choosing to do my meditations in this backyard. Um, you may hear some sounds of the community, and so I just ask you to embrace them. A lot of times when you hear sounds, just start to think about what are the positive things about those sounds that you reflect back to. So let's go ahead and begin with closing the eyes. You always want to give yourself a few moments to ground down when you begin your meditation. And you can do this meditation anywhere. So if you are on a lunch break and you're sitting outside on a park bench, possibly you're sitting on a bus, or maybe you're just sitting in your home sipping tea. But give yourself a moment to allow the mind to transition. And a really great way to find your way to this moment is to find one noise, whether it is inside or outside, far away, nearby, or maybe you hear one of the sounds that I'm listening to in my environment, but focus on one sound you can hear. And that's it. Just focus on that one sound. Choose anything. And once you begin to focus on that one sound, you'll notice your breath start to deepen naturally. The body start to relax. Become aware of your breathing, the rise and fall of the belly. And let's begin lengthening those inhales and exhales. So let's breathe in nice and slowly through the nose. And opening the mouth, exhale. Again, inhale through the nose. Opening the mouth, exhale. Inhale through the nose. And opening the mouth, exhale. Making sure the shoulders are nice and relaxed. And the body is relaxed. Relaxing the muscles in the face. Begin to imagine that you are sitting outside. It could be on grass, or maybe you're at the beach. But far in the distance, I want you to notice that there is a sound of a waterfall. Reflect back to maybe a waterfall that you have either witnessed in person or maybe you've heard. Notice how beautiful it is. Notice the sounds of that environment. What does the water sound like? And then think about the idea of water. Water is cleansing and purifying. Imagine you're going to go and stand underneath that waterfall. You gently walk into it and close the eyes and allow the water to wash all over your body. From the crown of your head, the top of your head, the water is dripping all the way down to your feet. That water is cleansing you, cleansing your aura, your feelings. If there's anything you need it to wash away, acknowledge it. Silently saying to yourself, remove this from my body. Remove this from my body. It no longer serves me. I don't need it. Purify me and cleanse me. Remove this from my body. Enjoy the water a few moments longer, using it to serve the purpose of cleansing, letting go, releasing. Gently tilting the head back, soaking up the last bit of water that you need. And gently walking out of that waterfall, pure and clean. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Opening the mouth, let go. Another deep breath in. Exhale. Fresh beginning. Inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, let it go. And gently open the eyes to a brighter and lighter you. Have a beautiful day.